If you're a parent, then you know without a doubt that getting kids to go to bed at a decent time is a big task. However, there is hope. It's all about establishing a solid bedtime routine and starting as soon as possible. Here are a few tips to help make bedtime go a little more smoothly. The 3 B's. Create a bedtime routine with your kids centered around the 3 B's: bath, books, and bed. The idea is to do calming things leading up to bedtime to give your kids time to unwind and relax so they can fall asleep more easily. After a warm bath, let your child select a few books that you can read together. Note, you might want to establish a set number of small books early on or a set amount of time to read so your children get used to it. Then, when the last book is done, it's time for bed. Depending on your child's personality, as she gets older, you can let her lie in bed and look at extra pages of the book on her own as she drifts off to sleep. Don't rush. Kids need some time to settle down and process things. If you try and speed up the bedtime routine, it will likely backfire on you. Make sure to go through the whole routine at a calm pace so your kid can decompress and not feel on edge. If you're worried the process will take too long, start it sooner to give yourself more time. Start a routine early. The best way to form good habits is to practice them as much as possible, so start forming your bedtime routine early. Even when your child is a baby, he can start learning a schedule, but it's up to you to enforce it. Stay consistent. In addition to forming a bedtime routine early in your child's life, for it to work well, you need to stick to it. Even when it is rough, and you think it's never going to work, stay the course. Over time, your kids and you will get more in sync with how bedtime is supposed to go, and the process will get easier. How much sleep do kids need? For you, 7 or 8 hours might be enough sleep, but your kids need more sleep than you. Most young children need between 10 and 11 hours of sleep a night. Depending on your kid, she may need more or less than this, but this is a good average range to strive toward. Key takeaways. Kids need adequate sleep to feel and perform their best. Establishing a bedtime routine early on in your kid's life can set them up for sleep success. Make the 3 B's part of your child's bedtime routine: bath, books, and bed. Stay consistent. Even when bedtime gets rough, stick to the routine, and your kids will get used to it. Most kids need roughly 10 to 11 hours of sleep a night. For more helpful tips like these and other great resources on how to help your children develop into strong, independent thinkers, visit us at ThinkJr Creations. You'll find tons of engaging content that will fill you up with awesome ideas, as well as age-appropriate, educational videos, and much more for your kids to enjoy.
If you liked our videos, please like and share them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.